So namaskar, my name is Dr. Karunesh Kumar Singh. I am Assistant Professor in Department of Applied Science and Humanities, IIT Lucknow. In present lecture, I will discuss with you how we diagonalize a particular square matrix. Okay, and it is a part of a course Engineering Mathematics 1 KS 103T. So in this lecture, in first section, I will discuss with you what is the similarity transformation, then how we diagonalize a particular matrix, then what is the algorithm to convert a matrix into diagonal form. Then we see this whole process with the help of example. Okay, so in first part, what is the similarity transformation, or you can say that similar matrices. Okay, so let us consider two square matrices of certain order, suppose n. Then B is similar to A if there exists a non-singular matrix P such that P inverse AP equal to B, P inverse AP equal to B. So B is similar to this matrix A. Similarly, we can prove that A is similar to matrix B, means this similarity transformation satisfy symmetric relation. Okay. And diagonalization is nothing but it is a process of a conversion or reduction of a particular matrix into diagonal form. If we are able to find a non-singular matrix P such that P inverse AP equal to diagonal matrix, then we can say that a matrix is diagonalizable. Okay. Through this matrix P, this matrix is called actually modal matrix. So through this matrix we can diagonalize any square matrix, and if this matrix exists, then matrix is diagonalizable. Okay. So how we reduce a particular matrix into diagonal form? So if a square matrix, suppose we have a square matrix of order n cross n, and suppose it has n linearly independent eigenvectors E1, E2 up to En, linearly independent eigenvectors, then necessarily this matrix will be diagonalizable. Okay. And this modal matrix is nothing but it consists of this eigenvectors as a column vector, means E1, E2, E3 up to En. Okay. So this is n cross n order matrix. If we have n eigenvectors, okay, eigenvectors are nothing but these are the column vectors. E1, suppose E1 equal to x1, x2 up to xn. Okay. So if we find this modal matrix and P inverse AP equal to diagonal matrix, then matrix is diagonalizable. And if we get n linearly independent eigenvectors in case of square matrix of order n, then matrix is diagonalizable. And what is the process? Okay, to compute powers of a square matrix through diagonalization. Okay. So if a matrix is diagonalizable, it means there exists a P matrix such that P inverse AP equal to diagonal matrix. Okay. So multiply this pre-multiply by P and post multiply by P inverse in this equation. So we get P D P inverse. Okay. So P inverse P, this is identity matrix, and P inverse identity matrix. So actually matrix satisfies associative law. So A equal to P D P inverse. Okay. So how we find powers of a matrix without multiplying these matrices. Okay. So A square, suppose we want to find A square. So this is nothing but A into A, P inverse P into P D P inverse. Okay. So if we multiply P inverse P, because matrix multiplication satisfies associative law, P inverse P identity matrix, and we get P D into D square P inverse. Okay. So A square is nothing but P D square P inverse. Similarly, we can calculate A cube. So P D cube P inverse. Similarly, more generally we can find a to the power n, that is P D to the power n P inverse. Okay. So, with the help of one example, we will see that how we diagonalize a particular matrix. Okay. So, in first step we have to find out eigen values and eigen vectors. So, suppose we have matrix this of order 3 cross 3 matrix 1 minus 1, first row is 1 minus 1 2 0 2 minus 1 0 0 3. So, this is actually lower triangular matrix also. Okay. This is square matrix of order 3 cross 3. Okay. Now, what is its eigenvalues? What is its eigenvalues? So, in first step we write characteristic equation, that is A minus lambda I, determinant of this equal to 0, this is real 0. So, this is 1 minus lambda minus 1 2 and 0 2 minus lambda minus 1 0 0 3 minus lambda equal to 0. So, because this is order 3 cross 3 matrix, so we get a polynomial of order 3. So, characteristic equation actually this is 1 minus lambda, 2 minus lambda, 3 minus lambda, because determinant of lower triangular matrix, this is lower triangular matrix is nothing but product of diagonal elements. So, it means we get lambda equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. So, these are the eigenvalues of this matrix, this is square matrix which is lower triangular. Okay. So, now for each eigenvalue we want to find eigenvectors. Okay. So, eigenvectors को हम कैसे calculate करेंगे? So, let us see this. Suppose lambda equal to 1, find eigenvector A minus lambda I x equal to, this is 0 matrix. Okay. So, A minus lambda I, this is our matrix is we call lambda equal to 1. So, A minus I x equal to 0. So, this is 0 minus 1 2 0 2 minus 1 0 0 and this is 2, and eigenvectors column vector x 1 x 2 x 3 equal to right hand 0 vector, this is 0 0 0. Okay. Now, is it matrix in echelon form? It is not in echelon form. So, convert this matrix into echelon form. So, this is in first row, this is leading non-zero entry, इसको 0 करिए. So, R2 plus 2R1, we apply operation R2 plus 2R1, first row remains same, this is 0 0 and this is 0 minus 1 2 and this is 0 2 and this is minus 1. So, multiply this is equal to 3, यहाँ पे 3 मिलेगा, means R2 plus 2R1. So, this is 4 minus 1, this is 3, this is 0 0 and this is 2. Okay. So, x1 x2 x3 equal to 0 0. Okay. So, in next step convert this matrix into echelon form, इसको हम 0 कर सकते हैं. You can divide this second row by 3 and multiply 2 and subtracting from third row. So, we get this. Now, see focus first column vector is corresponding to first variable x1, second column vector is corresponding to second variable, third one corresponding to third variable. No pivot element in first column. Okay. So, and there is a, this is x2, this is a pivot element corresponding to second variable. Okay. No pivot element corresponding to, and this 3 is corresponding to third variable. So, x1 is free, x1 is free. You can assign any value. Suppose we have this is k1 हमने मान लिया इसको. Okay. Then see this system of linear equation, 3 0 x1 plus 0 x2 plus 3 x3 equal to 0, it means x3 equal to 0. Okay. Now, use first equation minus x2 plus 2 x3 equal to 0, 0 x1 minus x2 plus 2 x3 equal to 0, it means x2 also 0 because x3 is 0. So, we get this v1 vector right in column k1 and this x2 is 0, this is 0. So, you can take k1 common. So, we have this vector 1 0 0. Okay. So, it means we get one eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue lambda equal to 2. Okay. Similarly, we can find eigenvectors corresponding lambda equal to 2. So, a minus lambda I capital X equal to 0. Okay. So, lambda equal to 2 means a minus 2i. So, this is our matrix is and this is minus a minus 2I means minus 1, 2, 0, 0, minus 1, this is 0, 0 and 1. So, this is our matrix. Okay. Now, see this in echelon form, this is leading non-zero entry. Okay. Now, coming to second row, this is leading non-zero entry, apply operation R3 plus R2, तो उससे next step में हमारा 0 हो जाएगा. Now, it is in echelon form, and this is pivot element corresponding to first variable, and this is pivot element corresponding to third variable. No pivot element corresponding to second variable x2. So, x2 is free. X2 is free. So, you can assign value k2. Okay. x2 is free. Okay. Now, from here minus x3 equal to 0, from second equation 0 x1 plus 0 x2 minus x3 equal to 0, it means x3 equal to 0. Okay. x3 equal to 0, and use this first equation because x3 is 0, from first equation minus x1 minus x2 plus 2x3 equal to 0. x3 our x3 is 0. So, x1 plus x2 equal to 0. इसमें x2 equal to x1 equal to minus of k2 Okay. So, it means we can take eigenvector b2 equal to, this is x1 is minus k2 and x1 is minus k2, x2 is k2 and third one x3 is 0. Okay. So, take minus k2 common, so we get this is 1 minus 1 and 0. Okay. So, minus k2 equal to another constant, suppose k2 dash. Okay. So, we get this second vector. Okay. Second eigenvector. Similarly, we can find third eigenvector. Okay. Third eigenvector, and these eigenvectors are linearly independent because these are the lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 are distinct eigenvalues. Okay. So, this is the case of distinct eigenvalues. In this case, we get eigenvectors which are linearly independent. हम देख भी सकते हैं, we get this x b1 equal to k1 1 0 0, this one b2 equal to 0 1 minus 1 0, these eigenvectors are linearly independent and these three are linearly independent. Okay. Now, what is the process to diagonalize a particular matrix, because we have already found the eigenvectors. Okay. So, this is form a model matrix, that is P, B1, B2, V3 consisting of 3 eigenvectors as a column vector, So, we write these eigenvectors in column. So, 1 0 0, 1 minus 1 0 and 3 minus 2 2. Okay. So, this is lower triangular matrix. Now, find its inverse by any method you can find its inverse, P inverse. Either you can adjoint A upon A, you can use adjoint A upon determinant of A, or you can use elementary row operations, okay, row or column operations. So, this is our P inverse. So, find P inverse, and this is actually, and this fraction is due to because A inverse equal to adjoint A upon determinant of A. Okay. And it is non-singular because we get a linearly independent set. Okay. So, the determinant of this is non-singular. If we calculate the determinant of this is equal to minus 2. Okay. So, we get P inverse equal to adjoint of P upon determinant of P. Okay. So, this is our P inverse matrix. Now, if we calculate this P inverse AP matrix. So, we have found this P inverse and A matrix, this is given matrix, square matrix, this is P. If we multiply these 3 matrices, okay. So, suppose we multiply this second and last matrix. So, this is 1 0 0 1 and this is 1 and 1 2 and this is 3 plus 2 5 plus 4 9 and 0 0 0 0 and this is 0 minus 2 0 minus 4 minus 2 minus 6 and we multiply this 0, 0, we get 0 and this is 6. Okay. So, if we multiply left multiplication by this matrix 1, 1 minus 1 by 2, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 0 0 1 by 2. So, 1 into 1, 1, remaining entries are 0, okay. 1 into 0 minus 1 by 2, 0, and this is 2 and this is minus 2, 0, we get 0. Then third 9 minus 6, 3 minus 3, 0, okay, and this is 0, 0, 0, we get 0, this 0 and this is 0, 2 and 0. So, we get this 2 and 0 into 9, 0 plus 6 minus 6, we get this 0. Similarly, we multiply third row by into first column. So, this is 0, 0 into 0, 0, this 0 and this is 0, minus 6 into 0, 0 and this is 3. Okay. So, we get a diagonal matrix in this case. Okay. So, it means our matrix is diagonalizable through this model matrix, capital P. Okay, capital P. Now, in last part, how we calculate powers of a matrix without multiplying 4 times. Okay. Suppose we want to find this a to the power 4. Okay. So, a to the power 4, as we know that a to the power a equal to, because this matrix is diagonalizable. So, P inverse A P equal to diagonal matrix, left multiply by P, right multiply by P inverse. So, it means A equal to P d P inverse. Okay. If we find a to the power 4, then we get P d P inverse 4 times, P d P inverse 4 times. Okay. If we simplify this, because matrix multiplication satisfies associative law. So, we get P d to the power 4 P inverse, we get a to the power 4 equal to. Okay. And because if we convert a matrix into diagonal form, then to calculate d to the power 4 is very easy. Okay. You can apply operation at the diagonal, principal diagonal. Okay. So, a to the power 4 means our D matrix is nothing but this is 1 0 0, 0 2 0 and 0 0 3. Okay. And we want to find d to the power 4, d to the power 4. Okay. So, if we multiply this diagonal matrix 4 times, okay, we get 1 to the power 4 and 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 times, 2 to the power 4, 3 into 3 into 3 4 times, 3 to the power 4. It means we get this is equal to, simplify, we can simplify this, 1 to the power 4 is 1, 0 0, this is 2 to the power 4 is 16, 0 and this is 0 0 81. So, a to the power 4 equal to P d to the power 4 P inverse. Okay. So, left multiply by this matrix P 1 1 3 0 0 2 and right multiply by P inverse, that is equal to P inverse 1 1 minus 1 by 2, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 0 0 1 by 2. Okay. So, because matrix multiplication is associative, you can first multiply these first 2 matrices. Okay. So, what we get 1 into 0 0, this is 1 entry and this is 0 16 and 0. So, this is 16 and if we multiply this 0, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0 and 3 means 243 and this is 0, 0, this is 0, 0 and 0, this is 0 and if we multiply the second row by second column. So, 0, this is minus 1 into 16, this is minus 16, okay, minus 16 and if we multiply this by 3, 0 into 0 minus 2 into 81 means 162, and this is 0 0 0, we get 0 0 into 0 into 0 0, and we multiply this 2 times 81, 2 times 81, so 162, okay, and multiply this by this right hand side matrix 1 1 minus 1 by 2, 0 minus 1 minus 1 0 0 1 by 2, okay. So, if we multiply this matrix, we get 1 into 0 into 0, this is 1, and this is if we multiply first row into in second column, this is 1 minus 16 0. So, this is actually this is minus 15, this is minus 15, and if we multiply this first row into third column, so this is minus 1 by 2 minus 16, and this is 243 by 2. So, we get 105, okay. If we multiply the second row into first column, so 0 into 0 into 0, we get 0. If we multiply this row by this column, so 0 minus 16, this is plus 16, okay, 0 plus 16 and 0, okay. Now, this is 0 minus 16 minus 1, this is 16 and minus 81. So, we get minus 65, okay. Now, multiply this third row into this matrix. So, this is 0 0 0 0 0 into 1 0 0 into minus 1 0 and 162 into 0, this is 0. Now, multiply this in last column. So, 0 0 and this is 162 by 2 means 81. It means we have obtained this a to the power 4 with the help of diagonalization of a matrix without multiplying this matrix 4 times, okay. So, here we are avoiding for the calculation, typical calculation, and with the help of diagonal matrix we found a to the power 4. Similarly, you can find a to the power 10, a to the power 100, a to the power 50, a to the power 11, 15, कुछ भी आप ऐसे निकाल सकते हैं, ओके. सो इस तरीके से आप और भी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस पे इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे here we have taken one matrix having distinct eigenvalues, okay. You can take another matrix having same eigenvalues, 2 same, third one is different, okay, 3 eigenvalues are same. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे जो केसेस आपके बनेंगे तो उनको आप वो डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. एंड इफ वी फाइंड, सपोज वी हैव ए स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स ऑफ ऑर्डर n क्रॉस n, इफ वी फाइंड n लीनियरली इंडिपेंडेंट वेक्टर्स देन मैट्रिक्स इज डायगोनलाइजेबल, ओके. अगर ऐसा नहीं होता है तो मैट्रिक्स वो डायगोनलाइजेबल नहीं होगी, ओके. एंड आइगन वेक्टर आइगन वैल्यूज को निकालना बहुत आसान है. हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे हाउ वी सॉल्व होमोजीनियस इक्वेशन, उसी से हमने फ्री वेरिएबल का कंसेप्ट वहाँ पे लिया है, उससे होमोजीनियस इक्वेशन को सॉल्व किया है. सिमिलरली यू कैन अप्लाई दिस होल प्रोसेस फॉर टू एनी स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स, ओके. एनी स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स पे आप कर सकते हैं उसको, ओके. So, thank you very much for your kind attention. Thank you very much.